Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're making a delicious firecracker Thai chili stuffed bacon cheddar cheeseburger, and it's a super spicy recipe here. So we're using about 12 Thai chilies that I've chopped really small with a scissors, a few slices of sharp cheddar, and we're topping it with some onion, tomato, and lettuce. I have a burger bun here. I'm using a queso roll, about half a pound of ground beef. We'll be making about 2 patties and 2 slices of bacon. So we're gonna get started. You might need some mayonnaise and ketchup or mustard, and some oil to fry our chilies in. So we're gonna get started by heating a pan and cooking our bacon first. And as the bacon cooks, we're going to fry our Thai chilies in a little oil there at the side. We're going to get that frying for a few minutes, and once that's done we can start our burgers. So our bacon is frying gently, our chilies are done. So what we're going to do is put our burger meat in here and add the fried Thai chilies into the meat. Season it first with some salt. And fold the chilies into the meat. Spices up the meat nicely. You can add some of that spicy chili oil. So you're going to be making 2 patties, 2 quarter-pound patties with this. And once everything is well incorporated, we can make our patties. I'm using this little gadget here that helps me make nice circular burger patties. It comes with these discs with a pattern on it, a container, a circular container, and something to press down on. So I'm going to take half of the mixture . Put it down there. Press it down nicely. And once done, you're going to pick these up . And lay them on the pan. We're going to work on our patties, get them done, and while that's getting done, I'm going to slice my bun and slather some mayo on it. My patties are ready, so I flipped them, put on the cheese, and I've allowed the cheese to melt just a little. With the bun, I've toasted it, slathered some mayo, and we're good to start assembling our burger, bottom side. We'll start with a patty here. It's a double spicy patty. And onion, tomato, lettuce at the bottom here. Couple slices bacon. And here you have it. delicious Firecracker Thai chili stuffed bacon cheddar cheeseburgers. Try it out and enjoy.